Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the rugged smartphone game with the Oukitel WP27. Packed with a stunning 6.78 FHD plus display and a whopping 12GB plus 256GB configuration, this device has certainly caught our attention. Let's break down the standout features that make the Oukitel WP27 a formidable contender in the rugged smartphone arena. 1. Durability beyond expectations. The Oukitel WP27 doesn't just promise ruggedness, it delivers. With an IP68/IP69K rating and MIL-STD 810G certification, this phone is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or working in challenging environments, the WP27 is your reliable companion. 2. Immersive visual experience. Feast your eyes on the 6.78-inch FHD plus display that the WP27 boasts. This large and vibrant screen not only enhances your viewing experience but also makes navigation a breeze. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or simply browsing, the clarity and color reproduction on this display are top-notch. 3. Powerhouse performance. Under the hood, the Oukitel WP27 houses a powerful combination of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. This ensures seamless multitasking, quick app launches, and ample space for all your files and apps. Say goodbye to lag and hello to a smooth and responsive user experience. 4. Capture every moment. Equipped with a high-quality camera setup, the WP27 ensures that you never miss a moment. The advanced camera system, coupled with AI enhancements, delivers stunning photos and videos even in challenging conditions. From scenic landscapes to action-packed moments, capture it all with the WP27. 5. Endurance that matches your lifestyle. A robust 8,000 mAh battery powers the Oukitel WP27, ensuring that it keeps up with your active lifestyle. Whether you're on a rugged adventure or navigating your daily routine, the WP27's long-lasting battery ensures you stay connected throughout the day. 6. Customization at your fingertips. Tailor the WP27 to suit your preferences with its customizable physical buttons. Whether you want quick access to the camera, flashlight, or any other function, the WP27 puts control in your hands. This level of customization adds a personal touch to your rugged device. 7. Connectivity for the modern explorer. Stay connected wherever your adventures take you with 5G capability on the Oukitel WP27. Enjoy fast download speeds, low latency, and a seamless online experience. This feature makes the WP27 not only rugged, but also future-proof in terms of connectivity. Ready to elevate your rugged smartphone experience? The Oukitel WP27 is your ticket to durability, performance, and innovation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a device that stands out in the crowd. Click the link in the description to grab your Oukitel WP27 now and embark on a new era of rugged smartphone excellence. In conclusion, the Oukitel WP27 rugged smartphone is a true powerhouse, blending durability with cutting-edge features. From its impressive display and performance to the robust camera system and long-lasting battery, the WP27 is designed for those who demand more from their devices. Don't just settle for a smartphone. Choose the Oukitel WP27 for an unparalleled rugged experience.